The world needs energy. But what's more important, the world needs clean energy. Demand grows every day, making improvements in fuel processing an industry imperative. At Pasadena Refining System in Texas, the commitment goes beyond clean fuel to include clean operations.
Pasadena Refining was looking for a place to expand the refinery and grow the refinery. So when the hurricane came through in 2005, the Pasadena paper mill shut down. Well, this property is adjacent to the refinery, and it made perfect economic sense to purchase this plant for the expansion of the refinery.
Built to 1937, the Champion Paper Company mill was the first in Texas to produce on a large-scale bleach sulfate pulp from southern pine wood.
So we took over the property, and the next phase, which we're in now, was demolishing the existing structures.
Removing a large industrial plant like a 70-year-old paper mill is a daunting task.
In the project execution plan, there are several sections, including environmental. Number two, we had safety plans. We had plans also for recycling. In this project here, we have over 95% recycling.
The most visible and symbolic structure to be demolished and recycled is the looming recovery boiler number 7. For this demanding high-stakes job, PRSI hired the best of the best.
They were the foremost in safety and had the best safety records of any contractors we talked to.
Key to the success of this operation was the selection of Controlled Demolition Incorporated.
In the case of this boiler, we're cutting the legs with explosive charges rather than cutting torches.
The key here is to make sure the charges are lined up symmetrically. This charge will detonate at the same time as this charge. The jets will form in the middle, and this charge will cut to the halfway point, and this charge will cut to the halfway point. I eliminate the front legs, starts to lean, I eliminate the second leg, it leans a little more, I eliminate the third leg, starts to lean, and this comes down and it's going to actually, the building's going to rotate off this column row. It's going to come down and hit and keep its momentum going, and I'll release the back columns 350 milliseconds later, and I'll just keep the whole thing rolling right over.
As demolition day approaches, the team has its final planning meeting. Before dawn, security is tight. The area is sealed off as crews set the demolition in motion.
Okay, here comes the final check.
All systems are cleared. The time has finally come.
Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Great job.
Tommy, when you get to go,
You're the man.
No, yeah. Everything was exactly as planned. The boiler fell. Actually, it broke up more than we thought. We thought it would lay out its full height, but on its way over, it kind of collapsed in a nice big twisted pile of metal.
The demolition went fine. All the planning paid off. All the pre-checks were done right on time. It got done. Seismic was excellent. Everybody worked as a team. Probably the best team I've ever had.
Months of planning have paid off. Safety goals have been met. Beyond the dust and rubble is the promise of building for tomorrow's energy needs. For the Pasadena Refining System, a new chapter begins.